Needing gift ideas? Go green this holiday season with anything and everything from John Deere at Howard & Sons. Kids will love to play with authentic John Deere toys, from tractors and trucks to wagons and playsets. Even grown-ups will enjoy the variety of John Deere gift ideas like clothing, bedding, lights, lamps, clocks, mailboxes, and more. Stop by Howard & Sons on US 24 West in Monticello, or in Lafayette at the Tippecanoe Mall, or online at greencrazy.com. Going green is easy with John Deere at Howard & Sons.